So I was just gifted this cute little mini vase set. They are magnetic vases with these cute little bundle of flowers. I want to show you how it came. So it comes in a little case like this for the vases. And then this was just in a little bag all bundled together with a rubber band. So I wanted to show you, first of all, I love this case. It works out really well. These little cute vases, they have magnets on there. So this would be great for fridges, for lockers, for anything that is metal, and they also stick to each other. So like I said, they're all like actual vases. They have little holes in them, which is so fun and cute. And the idea is that you get to take some flowers and put them into the vase. It's kind of just a fun little cute decor item, whether it's, you know, if it's for a locker or for your fridge or to put reminders on your fridge. It just is so cute and happy. Love all these little options for the vases. This one's so cute, like that. Very nice shapes, and it's kind of fun to just stick them all together. Let's see if a couple of these will fit in here. Anyways, might take a few minutes to get flowers how you like them in whatever orientation you like. This one's kind of fill and floppy, but that's okay. So 8 different vases, a bundle of flowers. I think they're super cute and fun, and the magnetics feel pretty strong. They're all sticking together. So if you're looking into this, this could be a great little option for you guys.